Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up iOS launcher on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here just search iOS 18 launcher. Now from here scroll down and install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here just select your language. So I'm selecting English. Now from here tap on continue. Now from here tap on next. Now from here tap on get started. Now from here just select your wallpaper. We will select this one. Now from here tap on continue. Now from here just tap on continue with free version. Now just wait a few seconds until it's set up. Now from here just tap on the screen. Now from here tap on set as default. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed our launcher to iOS launcher on our Poco phone. Just like that. Now to change the control center, just download this app. Just tap on the App Store icon to go to Play Store. Now from here just go back. Now from here just search iOS 18 control center. Now from here just download this app. Now from here tap on install. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here just select your language, or you can select default and it will use the language which is set on your smartphone. Just tap on done. Now from here tap on next. Now from here tap on next and tap on allow. Now from here tap on next. Now from here tap on downloaded apps. Now scroll down and tap on control center. Now from here just enable this option. Now from here just tap on I am aware of the possible risks. Now just wait a few seconds and then tap on OK. Now from here tap on got it. Now from here just tap on allow. Now from here tap on go to set. Now from here tap on no restriction. Now just go back. Now from here tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here tap on continue. Now from here tap on go to set. Now from here scroll down. Now from here make sure you enable control center. Now just go back. Now from here tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here tap on allow. Now from here if you swipe down from the upper right corner on the display, it will enable the iOS control center. Now just enable this option. Now from here go back. Now as you can see we have successfully changed our control center to the iOS version. Now from here tap on background. Now from here just swipe from the right to the left and select set as current. Now from here just go back. Now from here tap on edge trigger. Now from here you can select the trigger place to open the control center. In our case I'm selecting top, or you can select bottom. We will select top. Now from here scroll down. Now from here you can increase the width of the trigger place to trigger the control center. Now from here you can increase the height, or you can decrease the height. We will decrease it. Now from here just go back. Now as you can see, sometimes the iOS launcher stops working. Just open the app drawer and search iOS launcher. Now from here tap on go to launcher. Now as you can see, this is how you can get iOS 18 on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.